Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my Amazon Basics USB mouse. This is an excellent mouse for everyday computer tasks. This mouse is super reliable and it's simple to use. What immediately caught my attention is its plug and play functionality. I love that you just simply plug it into the computer's USB port and it's ready to use without the need for a complex setup or software installation. Now, I really appreciate that this mouse has this 3-button design with a scroll wheel for easy navigation. It's a comfortable mouse to use that fits my hand and reduces my fatigue after using it for an extended period of time. So if you're looking for a reliable mouse that's hassle-free, I think this is the perfect option. And that's my point of view.